Starting a Cash Giraffe game offer, before checking its requirements, is one of the easiest ways to waste time, because different offers can require different actions before rewards are credited. By the end, you'll know the most common Cash Giraffe mistakes, how to avoid tracking problems, and what to check before spending time on an offer. The first mistake is ignoring the offer requirements. Before you install or launch a game, open its listing inside Cash Giraffe and read the conditions. Check whether the reward depends on reaching a milestone, completing an action, or simply spending eligible time in the game. The second mistake is assuming every game pays the same way. Cash Giraffe can show different games and offers, and their requirements can vary. Compare the reward and the required activity before choosing what to play. The third mistake is continuing to play when your progress isn't tracking. If your balance or offer progress isn't updating, stop and check the problem first. Review the app's permissions, confirm that you're using the correct account, and verify that you followed the offer's installation and tracking instructions. The fourth mistake is relying on old screenshots or videos for current reward information. Offers, games, payout options, and reward conditions can change. Use the information displayed in your current Cash Giraffe account as your primary reference. Another mistake is starting too many offers without finishing any of them. If an offer requires a specific milestone, switching between several games can make it harder to track what you've completed. Start with one offer and confirm that your activity is being recorded. You should also avoid assuming that a reward is guaranteed simply because an offer appears in the app. Read the eligibility conditions before spending significant time on it. If anything is unclear, check Cash Giraffe support resources before continuing. A common payout mistake is waiting until the end to discover that your preferred redemption method has its own requirements. Open the rewards section early and check which withdrawal options are available to your account. Finally, don't judge Cash Giraffe by the largest reward displayed on the screen. A large reward can require substantially more work than a smaller one. Compare the reward with the actual time and effort required. The main mistakes are simple to avoid. Read the offer requirements. Verify tracking before investing more time. Use current information and check the redemption options in your own account. Your practical next step is to choose one Cash Giraffe offer, read every requirement, and confirm that progress tracks correctly before continuing. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe guides, fixes, and troubleshooting tips.